Palang araw, guys, mga kasinag. May lakad tayo today. Sama si Mrs. Tara, sama ko kaya. That's the city of Kuwait. Guys, yung mataas na structure na yan po yung Court Tower.
Our second judge is Ms. Clarice Coliat, 42 years of age, worked in automotive training company as secretary. 20 years in the journey of Kuwait since 2004. Worked on 4 various companies in different fields. From December 2024, winner in Binibining Pilipinas, Kuwait, held in Philippine Embassy in Zubria, founding with Apollo and OWA with Filipino Organization. Member of organization ACSC sa mga Ilocano Global Ilocano, nakampiling 2015 third runner-up and best in sports attire from 15 candidates, founder by Philcom or Filipino Community. After all that journey, her life becomes stable and beautiful until now, and she continues exploring the beauty of life. That's our second judge, Ms. Clarice Coliat. And our third judge is a true advocate for mental health, children's welfare, and migrant workers' rights, currently serving as the MRT case officer of Philippine Embassy. Migrant Workers Office Ukraine. She is also holds the title of
English na po tatawag.
Psychological Specialist for Together Project of the United Nations, NEPI, and the Great Society of Human Rights. A woman of many hats. She is a registered behavior technician, licensed in CPR, fire safety, first aid, and crisis prevention intervention. She holds a Master of Arts in Business from the Philippine University and brings with her over 30 years of experience working across the Philippines, Japan, and Kuwait. Her dedication and commitment to serve have helped her to volunteer, counseling, medical missions, and community outreach since 2013. She continues to inspire and uplift the lives of children with special needs and people in distress. Our third judge and our judge is Ms. Aisha Valera Alvaqui. Let's give her.
Guys, yung tayo sa Dolphin Hotel. Hotel Services. Guys, yan po yung second event na pinunta namin. Ano po, kakanta po sila ng puwerto sila sa world. Ano po, lifeguard. So, kami up na kami. Watch po, thank you po. Guys, salamat po sa panonood. God bless po sa atin lahat. Guys, mga kasinag, salamat po sa panonood. God bless you all po. Thank you.